Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to explain question number 14 and question number 13 of October-November 2022, 4024 from the topic sets and Venn diagram. So, as you are watching in 4024 paper 1, variant 1, October-November 2020, there is a question, question number 14 from this topic sets and Venn diagram, and in the 4024 paper 1 variant 2 October-November 2020 question number 13 from the topic sets and Venn diagram. But there is no questions in the session 2000 October-November 2020 paper 2 variant 1 and paper 2 variant 2. So I'm going to explain question number 14 first, then 13. There is a question number 14 from the session 4024 October paper 1 variant 1 October-November 2020. In this part A, there is a diagram here, and in the Venn diagram, shade the subset P union Q intersection R complement. First, you should know the idea of union and the intersection. So, union. The first union means all common and uncommon elements. All the common and uncommon elements. This is the union. Common and uncommon elements of P, set P and set Q. And intersection means only common elements only of common elements here. So first you should know the idea of union and intersection. You can shade the region by putting random number in each area. This is the technique, and I have explained this technique in the video of the topic sets and Venn diagram. You can watch from the playlist. So the random number, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can put random numbers in each area. Now, find a set of P union Q. P union Q. P union Q. As I have explained, this P union Q is the set of common elements of P and Q elements. Common and uncommon, both elements. So first, highlight the sets P and Q. In the sets P and Q, you are watching this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are the common and uncommon elements. So I'm going to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now find out R complement. You should know the idea what is R complement. So R complement means R naught. Means R all the elements except set R. So R complement is the set which have all the elements except set R. So mark the set R first. This is your set R. And you should not take all the elements of set R in the set R complement. So the rest of the elements are 1, 2, 3, 7 are the sets of R, and the R complement will be 4, 5, 6, and 8 because it is beyond the set R. So R complement will be write down in order 4, 5, 6, and 8. And now we have P union Q and set the set R complement. So P union Q intersection R complement will be P union Q intersection R complement will be the set common elements only in the both the sets. So common elements are 4, 5, and 6 are the common. So I'm going to write 4, 5, and 6. Now this is these are the elements 4, 5, and 6 are the elements of P union Q intersection R complement. So you have to shade these region. This is the region of 4, 5, and 6. So going to shade the region, but before shading, you have to remove all the dummy number first. And be careful, 4, 5, and 6 are the region for this. So going to shade this. And after shading, you have to, or before shading, you have to remove all the dummy numbers. These 4, 5, and 6, you have to remove this. Shade, neat, and clean. Now, remove 4, 5, and 6. So, going to remove 5, 4, and 6. This is the final answer of this is the shading or shaded region of P union Q intersection R complement. Now, this is 1 mark question, and this technique is very helpful to shade the region in the Venn diagram. Now, move on in part B. In the part B, in a group of 42 people, 30 people speak Spanish, 20 people speak French. Find the smallest possible number of people who speak both Spanish and French. And in part 2, find the largest possible number of people who speak neither Spanish or French. These questions are 1 mark questions here. So the technique, when there is a question of smallest and largest. So if this is the largest or least value, you have to find the smallest and least value, or largest and smallest. You have to use the technique. First, you have to draw all the both the diagrams, and check the smallest and find the smallest and least value. So we have to draw both the diagrams first. The subset types. This is the 30 people speak English, 30 people speak Spanish, sorry. So Spanish set is greater than the set French. And 20 people speak French. So 20 is the least value. We have to write down 20 here. And Spanish is 30, 20 is already here. So we have to write 10. 10 plus 20 is 30 people speak Spanish and 20 speak French. Now, the total in a group of 42 people. The total people are 42 here. So 12 are missing here. So we have to write down 12. Then the total will be 20, 10, 30, and plus 12. It is 42. 12 is basically 12 is 42 or the total minus 10 minus 20. So the total is 12. 12 people speak neither French nor Spanish. Now draw the second diagram, because you have to draw 2 diagrams. Then you can find the correct answer: Spanish and French. In this diagram, this is the common region. Common region is not given here. So let's suppose this is X. X people speak Spanish and French both. And this is the, we don't know question mark here. So you are observing 30 speak Spanish. The full circle is 30 here. Full circle contain question mark and X. So question mark plus X equals to 30. Question mark will be 30 minus X. So the region of question mark will be 30 minus X. Wait a minute, please. No. 30 minus X. And what is the value of the second region, empty region? So for this empty region, the double question mark, you are watching this 20 people speak in French. 20 is the sum of X and double question mark. X plus double question mark is equals to 20. So the double question mark will be 20 minus X. Remove this portion, 20 minus X here. Now, the and all the speaking in a third in this question, all people speak French and Spanish. So we have to write 0 here because no one in this diagram. Now finding value of X, how to find the value of X? The total is 42. It means the universal set. This is the universal set is total. So total will be 42. 30 plus 0. 30 minus X plus 20 minus X equals to 42. So X will be 42. This is cancel out plus X minus X. 50 minus X equals to 42. So the X will be 50 minus X. X will be 8. 15 minus 42 because now X will be 8 here. So the value of X when we have the value of X is 8. So this region, the region will be 12 because 20 minus X is 12. And the X was 8. So X is 8. And 30 minus 8 is 22. So this is now find a smallest possible number of people who speak both Spanish and English. The region of both in this diagram, this represent 20 people speak French and Spanish both. 20 people speak French and Spanish both. Now, this 20 means this is 20. In this diagram, 20 people speak French and Spanish both. 20 speak French and Spanish both. And this region is representing 8 speak French and Spanish both. And you are observing the smallest number of people, small number of people who speak both Spanish and French. So by observing, 8 is the smallest number compared with 20. So 8 is the correct answer for this part 1. Now move on. Part 2, find the largest number of people who speak neither Spanish nor French. So 12. The the value beyond the circle, beyond the circle is 12, which is who speak neither Spanish or this means speak 12 speak neither Spanish, Spanish nor French. And in this case, the value 0 speak neither Spanish nor French. 0 speak no, neither Spanish nor French. So in this case, the largest people of speak neither French or we have two values in both the diagram. The 12 speak neither Spanish nor French, and 0 speak neither Spanish or nor French. So largest possible value is the 12 people here. So the answer will be 12. This was the explanation for 4024 paper 1 variant 1 October November and 2020 of question number 14 here. Now move on. Second question, second paper, which is 4024 paper 1 variant 2 October number 2020 question number 13 here. And in this question, the set P is 1 till 8, the integer 1 till positive integer 1 till 8, and the set Q is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 positive odd integers here. Find the number of P union Qn. First, you should know all the abbreviations. N is number of elements. Number of and the union. Union means all common and uncommon elements. In the set P and Q. So we have to, in the part 1, we have to find number of elements of the in the set P union Q. So first find out the P union Q set. P union Q set. Mark all the common element in the set P and Q. So the common elements are 1, 3, and 5, 7. There are 1, 3. There are 4 common elements here in these sets, and 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9, 11 are uncommon. So the P union Q is the set of which have all the common and uncommon elements of set P and Q. So write down common and uncommon. 1 is common are common. 2 uncommon here. 3 common element. 4 is uncommon. 5 common element also. 6 is uncommon. 7 common element. 8 uncommon. 9 and 11 are also uncommon element. So we have 1 till 11. There are 10 is missing here. There are 10 integers here. So find number of elements and set P union Q. So count down one till 1 to 5, 9, and there are 10 number of elements. Number of elements of P union Q will be 10. This is a 1 mark question. Now, in part B, first in the part B, you should know the idea of this symbol first. So this is, it means is the an element of, is an element of. Simply you can say element of. And what is the symbol? Second symbol, this is intersection. This symbol is intersection. Intersection is common elements only. Common elements only. So we can say P is an element of A intersection B. Q is an element of A union B complement. R is an element of A intersection B complement. So before starting this question, you should know all the region in the set. All the region in the set. So there is a sum note here. First, write down the note. To know all the region. Set B, set A, universal set. This region is A intersection B. This is A intersection B complement because B is not here. This region is A intersection B, A complement is not here. This is A union B complement, or we can say A complement intersection B complement. So in this set, the set, okay, on the Venn diagram below, write each of the letters P, Q, and R in appropriate subsets. So we have to put the value, put P, Q, and R in each in the region, given region. P is an element of A intersection B. A intersection B is this region, so we have to write P. Q is an element of A union B complement. This region is A union B complement. So write down Q here. R is an element of A intersection B complement. This region is A intersection B complement. Write down R here. So now we have put all the letters P, Q, and R in appropriate subset in appropriate region here. So this was 3-mark question. I hope you got the idea how to solve, how to attempt question number 14 of 4024, paper 1, wherein 1 October November 2020, and question number 13, 4024, paper 1, wherein 2 October November 2020. And remember this, in paper 2, there is no question of sets and Venn diagram in the 20 series here. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you very much.